Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we are introducing the AceLaser ST laser cutting system. The AceLaser ST series offers you everything you need for efficient and economical cutting. High-quality components, powerful software and state-of-the-art fiber laser technology. The 3000mm and 1500mm work area allows you to process standard sheet formats up to large panels. Loading and unloading the machine is made easy. The work table simply slides out of the machine housing. This gives you optimal access to your workpieces and saves space at the same time. The extremely rigid design allows for workpiece weights of up to 1,000 kilograms in the extended position. A torsion-resistant gantry spans the length of the work table with synchronized drive on both sides. The high dynamics of the powerful servo motors guarantees the best cutting quality and productivity. The fiber lasers developed by racers offer high beam quality and are characterized by low maintenance and servicing costs, thanks to their durable and maintenance-free design. 4 models with power levels from 1500 to 6000 watts of steel power allow cutting up to max 22mm in steel. The machine shown here is the largest version at 6000 watts. With stainless steel, even material thicknesses of 14mm are no problem, and the clean-cut surfaces are impressive. A water cooling system ensures a balanced temperature. For the safety of people and the environment, the AceLaser ST is equipped with machine enclosure. Special protective glass windows allow the cutting process to be observed. The cutting process can also be monitored via a monitor using integrated video cameras. The powerful CNC control with large display and intuitive user interface is another highlight of the AceLaser series. Nesting and cutting software supports DXF file formats. A technology database contains cutting parameters and predefined cycles for different metals. The handheld control unit makes machine setup quick and easy. The high-quality cutting head has integrated collision protection, automatic focus position adjustment and height control. A powerful filter extraction system is also part of the series standard equipment. Here at KNUTH Machine Tools, our range also includes 3 other interesting series of laser cutting systems. From the AceLaser Compact to the AceLaser Pro with shuttle table and max 30 kilowatts beam power. At KNUTH, our range also includes cutting systems with the latest plasma technology from Kilberg and Hypertherm, offering high performance at low maintenance costs. Contact your nearest KNUTH representative today to find out the best solution for your business.